Suppose we are playing a game in which we are rolling 3 dice and we are interested in 6 on each dice. So we are interested that there should be 3 6 on each of the dice, and the sum of the 3 6 will be 18. So what is the probability that the sum will be 18? So let's do this with the help of simulation, which is called Monte Carlo simulation, and let's start the experiment. Because throwing a die is a kind of random experiment, so we'll write here a formula: rand between, and as there is number 1 to 6 on each die, and then select it and roll it up to here. And then we are interested in sum. Okay. So now we have to repeat this experiment 10,000 times and see what is the sum of these three. Because we want to repeat this experiment 10,000 times, select this cell, write 1 here. Okay, and now we have to write the numbers from 1 to 10,000. For that, go to this fill, select series, and as we have to fill the column, select this column, and the step value is 1. It is 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, like that, up to 10,000. Press OK. Now there are 1 to 10 numbers in this column. Now we are interested the probability that this number sum. So write here equal sign and then click this, because we are interested the probability of sum of the numbers on the dice. Okay. Now select this cell and press Control Shift, press the right arrow and then down arrow. It will select all the area up to 10,000. Now go to the data, press what if analysis and then data table. Leave the row input cell empty and click over here. So it will, so just press anywhere in the sheet, in the white portion, then click OK. Now it has calculated the sum of every one step. When we roll 1 time, all these 3 rolls 1 time, the sum is 12. In the second, when you roll again these 3 dice, the sum is 6, like that, up to 10,000 times. To count how many times 18 appear, so it should be count 18. Okay, this is we write select equal sign, count if, select the column, this one, then Control Shift down arrow. It will select all the column values, then write, press comma, and then write the criteria. So use in quote signs equal to 18. Close the bracket. So there are 53 values in these 10,000 values. 18 appeared. Now we are going to find the probability of 18. that is equal to this value divided by 10,000. So this is the probability, and if convert into percentage, so the probability is 0.52%. So this is how we can calculate the probability using Monte Carlo simulation.